Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Placeit for mockups that match your brand. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Placeit website. Log in or create a new account if necessary. Navigate to the mockup section of the website. Browse the available templates to find one that fits your needs. Use the search bar to filter by categories, styles, or specific items. Once you find a mockup you like, click on it to open the editor. In the editor, look for the option to upload your own design. Select the design file you wish to use. Adjust the size and position of your design within the template. Explore the options for customizing the background color or image. Make sure to choose colors that align with your brand's identity. Add any additional text or branding elements if necessary. Experiment with different styles to see what best represents your brand. Once satisfied with your mockup, click on the download button. Choose your preferred file format and resolution. Save the mockup to your device. Your mockup is now ready to showcase your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.